Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wonderful creative friends. Welcome to another exciting episode on this channel. In today's episode, we are going to design this beautiful church flyer I created, and I want to share the tutorials with you. Guys, if this seems interesting, kindly stick around, subscribe, like, share, then let's grow the channel together. It's been a long time I brought you a voice-over tutorials like this. I was focusing on writing some exams, or sorry, I was focusing on taking some exams or sitting some exams. That's why I was not providing step-by-step voice-over tutorials to you. So guys, Control N to open a new document, and then the setting is 2000 by 2000. Then Control V to pick the name of the flyer. Then create something like this, and then let's go to the solid color, choose something closer to white but not too white like that. Good, so that's it. Control J and group it to one like this. Now let's set the name. Let's begin with the text. So the name is copied. Control V to paste it nicely like this. Control T. Let's reduce the size. Now you hold Alt and then drag the edge like this to reduce the size. Control E, and then to select it, and then center and align with it like this. But so let's push it up like this. Control D. It's not working, so let me use selection to deselect it. Good. Then let's use the arrow to bring it down a bit. Perfect. Now let's set our guide. So guide, the new guide is 6 or 4 by 4 is okay. Let's see if 6 by 6 will work. Yeah, 6 by 6 should work perfect for us. And then let's again is the print. So now that is also selected, so then copy this and drop it, paste it nicely like this. And I think we need to increase that size a bit. Control T and select that size. Good. And then I think it's awesome now. It's awesome now. It's awesome now. Let's center it. Awesome. Then go to selection, deselect, and then the next again. You saw the side to the hit here, right here, and like that. Beautiful. I'm using a wicked mouse boot, then drag here like this. Let's check from this side. Good. Boot all count as well. Then bring it something like this. Perfect. Now the next thing is the Sunday. Guys, we need to be creative. So the Sunday service both start with SS, so that's why I'm using big S for both of them, so that we need to be creative a bit. And then hold up and drag this side like this. Then let's go and copy the service, also start with S, and let's copy it from here, and then come and paste it here. Double click it like this. Control V to paste it like this. Good. I realize that it's Sunday service. Since both of them start with S, that's why I'm using one S to represent them all. So let me push this up a bit. How this to also go up a bit. Let's do up like that. Good. So this and this can be put in a group and call it the number 2. Good. I think this should come here. This should be the number 2 rather. Whilst this should be the number 3. Good. So this one, let's go and copy the whole layer style. That is it. I think it's this one rather. Good. So I used, this is it. I use a layer to copy layer style. let's come and paste here. Paste layer style. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. So that is a gradient layer I use so that I will draw a beautiful square like this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then let me paste the layer style on it again, and then double click it in the gradient panel, and then let's reverse it. Good. Then you come to this and set here to, let's say, 100 PC, and that should be all sides. So 100, let's see, and then let's set here to 0. Let's click here, set here to 0. Better, 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 better. So this becomes something like this. Perfect, perfect. Now let's go and copy the date. So you see on the keyboard, Control V to paste it like this, and then let's center and align this together. Perfect. I think select and deselect. Let's reduce the size to, let's say, 10. Should be okay, or I think 10 or 13 should be okay. Guys, depending on how you set your own and it's fixed. Good. So this all becomes the number 3. Let's group them again. So this becomes the number 3. Next, made up of the service, then the square transform or specialized shape we created in our text. Then the next thing is to bring a rectangle, a rectangle like this. Then let's pick the color from here. Perfect. Then let's go and copy it. Good. So here on the keyboard, pick this here, group it to paste it. Now let's center and align, guys. You always know that we need to center and align so that our things should be perfect. Let's increase it to, let's say, 20. Can be okay. So center and align with it like that. So then Control E to deselect it. Now after that, the next thing is this. So you copy it and come and paste it. Double click it, paste it like this. Good. Then bring it closer like this. Awesome, 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 awesome. Perfect, perfect. So this and this becomes, I think, the number 4. Number 4. Let's see, Control A and center it. Now let's deselect it. Good. Now after that, what else? What else? What else? What else? I think the images. Good. The images. The images. Guys, the images, which is this. So I think the remaining ones are just copy paste, copy paste, copy paste like that. So the images, I think we can make a selection here. Okay, that's all. Let's go through. So the images and their names have also been set nicely. So the remaining one is, I think, the time, date, venue. Good. So the time, date, venue, we created a rectangle, a beautiful rectangle like that. Give it a color, which is, I think, this color like that. And then, oh, sorry. Drew it to hide the guides. Then let's boost this size to know it's too big, and then open here. I think this is awesome. And then wet it like that. What will be the time, date, and goal? So the time, the venue, and maybe a live location too is set. So the next thing is, I think we need to readjust the whole design. So 1 is okay, 2 should 3 should go up a bit, and then I think the number 4 should also go up. the number 5, which is the images, their name, and then the number 6, which is the time, and then the location and the live locations as well. Good. So once that is set, let's bring our guys back. Good, 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 good. Now let's go and set the background, because if you look at this background and this, it doesn't tally. So in order to do that, let me hide this, hide this, hide this, hide this, hide this. Then let's come back to the main background. Perfect. Let's go check, check, delete this, delete this. So let me hide them, hide them, hide them, hide them. Then which one again? I think this should be alright. So that is it. Now let me hide this, hide this, hide this. Let's see the hex code we use for this. Okay, think E5, E5, E5. Good. So copy it and come and paste it inside this. I think that is the same thing. That is the same thing. That is the same thing. Therefore, we can work perfectly. So copy this one, drag it to this, release like that. Perfect. Good. So let's see. This was the whole thing, and then we use the blending option for it. So the blending mode. Then we set it to colors like this. The next thing was this. So bring it back, and then let's bring it something like this. This was it. And we set it to soft light. Good. Then it blends perfect. Then the next thing, which is this, then push it up like this, and then let's make it beautiful. This was it. Clear the top like this, and then put this way, and then that one to soft light was off. Good. So the background was set perfect. Now the name and the church, the name of church and present, that is the theme is there. Then okay, full Sunday service before the theme. So let's make it okay. This the images and their names, then the time and details. So guys, if there is other information that you have from your client, then don't hesitate to put them there. Just rearrange the whole flyer and then put them there. Don't forget, I'll leave a link for you to download the free PSD file for you to edit it and then make it yours. Just make some color changes and then the whole flyer becomes yours. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and let's grow the channel together. I love you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. For the meantime, bye. I'll see you in the next thing again.